Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series. In this short video, I will show how to add comments in Notion. So adding comments in Notion is as easy as it is. You have few options. You can add a comment to the block. So to do this, you just can go to this left side of the block, find this 6 dot icon, click on it, and then choose comment and add a comment, for example. And another option, you can add a comment actually to a piece of text, a chunk of text. So for this, you can just go to the text that you need to comment and highlight this text, and then this toolbar will appear. Again, click comment and add a comment. Important thing to mention is that if you want to send notification to a specific person, you can just type this @ symbol and then choose a person you would like, or just type directly the name of the person you would like to mention and send notification to. So that's it. This is how easy you can add comments in Notion. Thanks for watching.